How's it going, everybody? Welcome to SLS Houston. My name is Sprinterman Cam. I got my good buddy Ron Preston here from Midwest Automotive Designs.
How you doing, Cam?
Pretty good. Yourself, sir?
I'm doing well. Flew in from Indiana to be down here with you. So excited. You know, every time I come here, I'm just so impressed. You know, we have 60 vans in stock here at your dealership. You've been a great partner, a beautiful indoor showroom, and one of our largest indoor showrooms for any of our dealers, right? Absolutely beautiful with over 60 vans here in stock, right? But this is something special, right? That's why I flew down here to show you, and I know we walked through it already a little bit. I know you were excited about it.
Super excited.
But this is our new 26 Lux Cruiser, okay? And a lot of the features we're gonna show here are working on all of our different floor plans, right? That's the D6, the most popular that you'll find out there. A lot of seating, about 10 passengers in that vehicle. We got the S5, we got the S6. D4 is the shortest one, but the D4, it really hits a lot of spots for a lot of people, right? It's a smaller size, can park anywhere. Just some really cool stuff. Like I said, our new lithium package for new 2026. Plumbing system, right? That's also another big item for this year. So the macerator pump, all-in-one utility bay, exterior shower. We also have the new Azure seat inside as well. So a lot of exciting things to show. And again, being debuted here at SLS for a reason.
Most definitely, guys. Let's go over here and let's check this van out. This exterior color is awesome. I love the silver gray. I know we've had our blue grays, we've had our stone grays. Those have been very popular colors, but this silver gray just really pops.
Yeah, and what's cool about it is it's for this year, right? So if you see silver gray on the road, guess what? It's not used, it's brand new.
Brand new.
That's a new color for us this year. We're very excited about that. I think it just looks amazing, especially with the off-road roof rack and everything like that on it.
100%.
Like I said, what Cam was saying, so this is the Overland exterior package. So for this year, we have a package you can select on the order form, again, right here from SLS, where you get the KC lights. We have 8 of those on board. We have a new roof rack on board, nice, slim. Like I said, we've always had a real nice roof rack, but this one's a little slimmer. And then of course, like I said, it's not really an off-roader unless it has off-road rims, right?
I couldn't agree more.
So Cam, you've been around these rims for a while, right? These are the 17-inch Method rims with KO2 tires on board. So all the traction in the world, especially with an all-wheel drive system from Mercedes-Benz.
Exactly.
So very cool, just the exterior approach. But what I love about what you guys can do, you guys do things that we as expert upfitters at Mercedes-Benz, right, can't do.
Now we also can do something really cool, which I do not have on this van itself, but we can add onto this door a tire and wheel holder, because there is no spare tire underneath, and you're gonna need that for your Overland experience.
Nice to have a dealer partner as yourself, right? That's able to do these things that we wish we could do, but the expert upfitter does hold us back a little bit, right? But so great to see that.
Exactly.
So continuation of what we're doing on the outside of this vehicle, right? We have the 4-camera system, okay? So that is an industry exclusive from Midwest Automotive Designs. What we're doing there is we're putting an additional screen inside the cabin for the driver so he can see all around his vehicle.
So this is a great option to have on your van.
And one of the biggest things that I'm so happy to introduce here is the all-in-one utility bay. So what are the benefits here? Previously on a D4 Lux, or any Lux Cruiser for that matter, you still had a rear toilet, okay? Refrigerator, microwave, and sink in the back. So you have a full plumbing system, right? Which means you had to use a gravity dump. Now, gravity dumps, they're fine for majority of the industry, not fine for us at Midwest, right? So we have an all-in-one utility bay, no lower gate valve, right, that you could possibly hit, especially off-roading, right?
Yes, exactly.
It's also, its appearance isn't great either, so there's functionality to that as well. So Cam, like I said, we have an exterior shower on board now, all in that all-in-one utility bay.
Oh yeah.
So when it comes to going off-road, you got the fur babies with you, right? Yep. You can water them down, wash your feet down.
Exactly.
Just really gives you some versatility out here. Right? Something on a Lux Cruiser you just didn't have before. So also, talking about where did that gravity gate valve go, right? Where's that, gravity dump? So we have a macerator on board. Let me show you how easy this is to use. So what we're doing is we're pulling it out here, okay? And then what we can do is we can click a gate valve to open it up as you see fit here. So it's all electronic now, no manual involved.
Yes.
And then it's power retract. It doesn't get much easier than that when it comes to emptying out your toilet, right? It definitely beats all the cassette toilets that have notorious for smell issues, right? So this is all a plumbed system with a black tank, with a master you're going to find on any boat. So any of the yachting enthusiasts out there will be right at home with this system.
Yeah. Guys, we've been talking about this for years now. It's great that Midwest Automotive Designs is finally doing this for us, and it's here. Everything that you guys have been asking for, it's right here, ready for you guys.
Yeah, and that's not the only thing, right? There's a lot of exterior.
Way more.
There's a lot of exterior features for new for 26 here. So what I'm going to show here is we have a new smart plug, right? And what's great about the smart plug is that it doesn't require any turning or anything like that, right? So sometimes they can be stuck. Let's, for instance, you got it plugged in for a while, okay, right? And sometimes they jam up a little bit. This one's a quick release in and out. And it also displays a light, knowing that you have a solid connection.
Exactly.
And you know, we were talking earlier, one of the great features as well from the new 26 model year, let's say if you wore in storage, right? And it was inside, right? You got plugged in, that has a trickle charger onto the chassis battery.
Yes.
So if you're plugged in, you can leave it stationary, guys. No trickle charger just for the chassis itself. You're charged with that lithium system and your Mercedes-Benz motor. So very cool stuff here.
Extremely cool. I mean, we've been wanting that for many years too now, and now we have it. It's here on our new vans. Every new van that you see us get, it's gonna have that system.
Yeah, very cool stuff.
All right, everybody, I cannot forget to mention the beautiful awning that we have here on this nice, sleek design of our new roof rack. All right, Ron, go ahead and hit that button. Let's show them the way this works.
Absolutely.
Again, guys, it's fully powered, wind sensitive. This is perfect for tailgating. It gives you the nice shade that you need, and it really extends far. All right, everybody, as you can see, I'm behind the wheel of this beautiful Mercedes. In the front, we got the matching seats to the rear because Midwest Automotive Designs actually does their seats in-house. Now, with that being said, as you can see, the plastic veneer is re-dipped to match the wood in the back as well. That's something different that sets Midwest apart from other manufacturers. This is by far something small, but changes the whole van dramatically. You could also see that the sunshade is rewrapped with your overhead, and they even add a nice little sleek design with the stitching that matches the rear as well. As you guys can see, I'm able to rotate in the seat so I can talk to my kids, and not to mention, you get a fully pedestal table in this van. All right, everybody, now I'm back here in the back of the van. I'm able to enjoy this beautiful lap tray table. I can eat a meal on it, do some work. I got my touch screen here that I have capability of controlling the lights, AC. I got my heater touch screen right here, Alpine touch radio, heat massage, power leg lifts. It's all right here at my fingertips.
Cam, that was a great breakdown of the inside of the new 26 Luxe Cruiser, Freedom, everything on it, right? Just so excited to get this out there. So excited for it to be here with you guys at SLS, representing our brand, representing our vans. You guys just been an amazing partner in all this. And yeah, thank you for letting me debut it here with you today.
Yeah, Ron, I really thank you for coming out here, being able to get on camera with me and show everybody what a spectacular build this was.
Yeah, no, absolutely, bud. And let's keep it going.
It was a pleasure, Ron.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment on our channel as it helps us grow. My name is Sprinterman Cam. If you would like to get with me directly, my number is 832-586-6323. You could text or call me anytime. I'll be here to help you guys out.